Hi friends. So in this video I am going to explain about electrical maintenance department in oil and gas. So what all are the roles and responsibilities of electrical department, and what all are the troubleshootings they are facing, and what is the challenging work atmosphere in electrical department, and offshore onshore, what all are the interview expected questions in electrical side. So before watching my channel video, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that all my videos will come in your inbox and you can watch it. So electrical department is one of the most vital department in oil and gas industry. So we can segregate this department in five categories: power generation, power distribution, electric motors, system protection, and electrical grounding. So as you all know, the power generation, whatever the power which is generated from the generator, maybe gas turbine or diesel generator. So these all are the jobs will be in generator side. So you should people have to take lot of information in generators. And power distribution, in power distribution, the distributor, feeders, switch gears, and MCC, these all are the distribution of the power to the maybe prime movers, like that. And regarding the electric motors, so electric motor is one of the prime mover which is connected for compressors and pumps. So these electric motors are connected with switchgear or MCC. And system protection knowledge you should know. So in system protection knowledge, all the protection for the tripping of the logic and interlocks of the motor which is connected to the relay panel of the MCC or switchgear. So high instantaneous current, high voltage, low voltage, stalling protection, unbalanced phase protection, S-fault protection. So these all are the protections will be on the motor side. So apart from this also, motor having the winding in stator. So this winding temperature high, the motor will trip. The drive-in, non-drive-in, the bearing temperature high, the motor will trip. So these all are the system protections. For electrical grounding, every electrical equipment it should be properly grounding. So in interview they will ask what is the purpose of grounding, why grounding is required, in case grounding is not there, what will happen to the electrical equipment. And other things if I want to share, like installations of electrical equipments in substations, transformers, and what all are the types of circuit breakers we are using: vacuum type, SF6 gas type. So these all are the expected questions. And what is the color coding of wirings? And maybe they will ask you, oil is a conductor or insulator. Oil is a bad conductor of electricity, but good conductor of heat. And some oil and gas sector, for the crane, the overhead beam crane, it is operated by electric motor. For the commissioning of the overhead crane beam motor also they will ask the question. How to stop the over travel of the crane and the movements, vertical, horizontal movements. These all are the expected. And some basics questions may they will ask, like what is the preventive maintenance of motor. So what are in checklist, some preventive maintenance will be there. So as per the checklist, the technician they will go and they will check the motors. And the most important thing is rack in, rack out, isolation and de-isolation. What is the procedures? So these all are the expected questions. And what all are the spares using in the electrical equipments? The arrangement of spares. This is most important. And the another thing, if I want to share about the electrical department, the work permit system, because in work permit system the isolation, electrical isolation is must before taking the maintenance department of any rotating equipments. So work permit related question regarding isolation, logout method they will ask, and checklist filling for the PM checks. This is most important. And regarding some of the friends who is asking comment in my channel, sir, can you explain about the electrical technician scope? Electrical technician scope is fully field oriented scope. So whatever the job, like preventive maintenance jobs, and whatever the requirement, for example, if any tower light is required additionally for the column and lighting requirement, so this will be in their scope. So I hope this session will be very useful for to you all, and in next video with another topic I can explain you. Thank you so much.